Kenzie, I think this video will make you eat grass. I will show you something real quick. Guess what? I found out.
Hey guys!
I found out your face a little bit from your very old video. You don't even notice your reflection.
I only have a few seconds to do this.
I can quite
Don't mind me.
your face a little bit.
And Sashi Sukai. Oh, this is right, Kagu. And I'm gonna peace. Yeah. Alright, I'm just kidding. This is not the best thing. My hand hurts. Yeah, whatever.
Y la vieja pues perdió la razón, porque la vieja que había ido, pues no quiso, pero fue con él y se metió de acuerdo, pero el único problema es que el niño empezó a decir que por qué no se le da, o sea que su papá
Oh yes, there's a light showing the face, the reflection.
Let's just do which one is,
y sus hijos debió haberse relegado de ella.
72 left. Oh no, I went away. No. Yeah. They should probably just start it.
Probably like, oh, let's play Roblox on the computer. Ooh, I can't even get all the monies. No, there is people coming to get me. And then like you see here, and then you see your reflection. Boom, your reflection. You see? Do you not see that happen?
What is this?
Do you not see that happen?